Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn about mathematical function that can be done within SQL. So we all are aware that there are few mathematical functions, which is plus, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let us understand how we can do that. In this example, we have taken the employee table, and we will use this salary column, and we'll add some 100 value in everyone. So in this, we have taken salary column, and against salary column we have added 100 in every salary value. Let us run this. Now we see that this addition has been happened. 26 was the original value, 2700 is the new value, same as 4400, then 4500, 13,000, and 30,100. Now we will use subtraction. In subtraction, we will use the minus sign, and again we will compare it, the same values, that is 100 has been deducted. So whenever we will be using this plus minus multiplication, we directly can use it with the table value like this. Now for more understanding, we will use multiplication also. We see there are two zero has been added everywhere, and the final one is the division. We can see that the value has been truncated by 20. That was all for this video. We'll meet you again in the next chapter. Thank you for watching this.